Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming an updated thrift store haul. It's just kind of like the things that I've got from the thrift store and how I put them together into outfits. All of my outfits today are completely 100% thrifted, aside from like underwear and shoes, because I don't know, even some of the shoes are. I can't even say that. And accessories might not be. Anyways, whatever. For the most part, everything is thrifted, so I just wanted to like make a video showing all the new stuff I got because I think it's really cute and how I'd accessorize them and style them. So enjoy. My room is only so big, so I can only stand back so far. Maybe I'll stand on my bed or something. I don't know. You can see all my pile of clothes right here that I'm going to try on. Okay, anyways, outfit number one. Da-da-da-da. My chair. So this is outfit number one. I'm quite a fan. These shorts are like my new most favorite thing in the world. They were actually jeans that I ended up cutting because I saw this picture of Bella Hadid, however you say it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I really like the cut of those shorts. So I cut them myself and made it. And then I have this vintage Gap crew neck kind of hoodie situation. I just really liked it because it was black with like gloss, which I thought was cool. Never seen any sleeves this kind of length either, so I just thought it was interesting. It was like $5. I was like, all right, cool. And then I'd probably just wear my chunky black shoes. So, and then for accessories, I'd probably just wear my hoop earrings that I've been wearing a ton of lately. That's really all I've been wearing. And then if I was going outside, I'd put on some sunglasses. I have some really cute ones that I just got from this company called Yo Benini. I'll have a discount code linked down below. But I think they're super cute, and I like the black on black. I feel very fashionable. So yeah, here's this outfit. Alrighty, so literally all I did was swap shirts because that's what I do with most of my outfits. I just have a few basic pants that I really like, and then I change crop tops. So I basically just wear the same pair of jeans 24/7 and then take like different shirts and put them together. So anyways, here's this shirt. It's like the coolest material. It's like, I don't know, it feels almost like towel material. I'm gonna get up close so you can maybe see. It's really stretchy, but it feels very, it's just like one of the most comfortable shirts I've ever got, and it's so cute and very springy, and I feel very cute in this outfit. I guess that's it. Alright, so here's outfit number three. This is kind of what I like to call my art mom outfit. I think it's so cute. I feel like, do you guys remember Confessions of a Teenage Drama Queen, the mom from that movie? I feel like this is something that she would wear, Lola's mom. Anyways, I really like it. So I've just got my little bandana, which isn't thrifted because, I don't know, sometimes I don't trust head things from the thrift store because there could be lice or something, I don't know. And then this shirt is thrifted. It's just a oversized men's denim shirt. This one is not, it's from Urban, but you can just wear any white shirt or white tank top. It really doesn't matter. And then these pants, which I'll have to stand up here for, are like my new favorite find. They're so early 2000s, like low-rise cargo pants. They're just the perfect ones. I didn't have to alter them or anything, which is such a rare find for me from the thrift stores, so I'm just really happy with them. I don't know where they're from. I think they're from Gap. Yep, they're from Gap, so that's pretty cool. And then I just pair it with my sandals and my earrings. And again, I got these other glasses from the same company. Again, will be linked down below. I like these ones, but I feel like they're a bit big for my face. I have a very abnormally small face. But I do think they're super cute. So if you have a larger face than me, then for sure get them. I think I like the black ones more though. But it's a pretty cute, like kind of, whoa, with these glasses it kind of looks like biker momish now, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, alright, that's enough of that outfit. So, be right back with the last one. Okay, so here's my final outfit. It's a bit different from all the rest, but one of my favorites because I don't very often dress. I've been really girly lately, so it's been fun to get kind of back into my tomboyish roots, and that's what I feel like this outfit is doing. So pretty much these pants, they're Nike, I don't know, like windbreaker material pants. They were originally not flared, but like straight leg. But then I went in and sewed them. I really should know the past tense of that because it's my major, but whatever. And I made them tight at the bottoms with some elastic. I think they're super cute. I like the gray. And then I have this thrifted little cropped hoodie that I wear that matches the gray underneath that I think is really cute. And just like a plain simple black top that's not thrifted. That's okay though. My hat's not thrifted either, but this jacket is. I mean it is from H&M, but I found it at a Goodwill, so I don't know, take with that what you may. But yeah, I really like this outfit a lot. And then the shining star of the whole fit on my chair here are these babies. They're my Jordans that I got for $15. And they're in pristine condition. And they're my size. It's very exciting. I wasn't so sure about them when I first saw them. I just didn't think that I could pull them off, especially with the outfit that I tried them on with was like some preppy little like tennis outfit almost. So I was like, this does not look good. But my boyfriend convinced me and got them for me, so I figured I have to wear them. But I think they're so cute now that I've actually styled them. So anyways, those were my outfits of the week at college. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to use my link down below if you like those sunglasses. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.